Hey YouTube, got a little special something for you. Just a little quick video for you today. I yeah, that's me in that mirror. Want to tell you that sometimes you just want to show off something. So I started out with the goal of making my own unique Venturi Avenger 2022 cal. Well, I changed it from the standard look to the bottle look. And that wasn't enough. You know, other people've got the bottle gun, and I mean, what all can you do to a gun? So I wanted it to have just a different look. And I wanted, just by looking at it, that you still just didn't know it was an Avenger. So guys, take a look and tell me, did I accomplish the job? Yeah. Is that not a pretty gun? Huh? Man, I'm telling you, I think that gun is just plain gorgeous. What do you think? Do you think my paint job helped it out? It is a metallic bronze and blue with some black highlights on it. So, just want to know, what do you guys think about my Avenger? Yeah, she still shoots as good as ever. Paint didn't change that up at all. So, my Venturi Avenger in 22 cal, now a bottle gun, and also it has my sniper 3x12. See if you can see that. 3x12 by 56. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you this little beauty, and of course, it'll be on the range soon enough. Until next time, guys, stay safe, shoot straight.